Why did I go to Dr. Sarbak? Because I saw some people who had their face done and parts of their bodies done, and I thought that he did such a great job with these people that I wanted to go and talk to him. So that's what I did. And when I got there, we had a real relationship immediately, which was very nice. And I liked the staff very much, and I liked what he had to say. And he really wanted to work with me, and that was nice. I liked that a lot. So I did go back and had some work done, and I'm very happy today. I chose Dr. Sarbak because I felt like he understood what my needs were, that he really thought that he could do what I asked him to improve myself. And that's why I went to Dr. Sarbak, because I was getting to be a certain age, and I felt like I wanted to look like I did 10 years ago. And he said he could do that. So I thought about it for a long time, did a lot of research, went to a couple other doctors, and I came back to Dr. Sarbak ready, because I had actually seen some of his work from other women who had worked with him. And the results are great. What makes Dr. Sarbak really great and wonderful is that he is an artist. When he looks at you, he is looking at you and seeing what he could do on your face or your body. And he showed me other pictures of people, and I looked at them and I saw that he really does care. And that is number one in my book. And he wants it to be comfortable for you. So that's why I chose him. Well, when I went to see Dr. Sarbak, the first thing I noticed was that his staff was really friendly and very nice. And I didn't have to wait. I went right in. He was there waiting for me. He was very knowledgeable about his craft. And all the questions I had about my fears, he was able to answer. And he took photographs of me and showed me a little bit what he could help me with, and gave me, a hope that maybe I could look like some of the people that he showed me. And I had faith in him right away. The first meeting I did, and we had many consultations afterward. Dr. Sarbak, after I had my procedure with my face, I had my whole face done, my neck, everything, and that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to have the whole thing completed. And he showed me a picture of myself before and then after, and guess what? I look fabulous. But the wonderful thing about the whole thing was that when I went back to my community where I live, everybody said to me, "Gosh, you look really good." Well, I didn't dare tell them. And I kept getting this over and over again. And then some people, I had told about 4 or 5 people, they came up to me and they wanted to know, who is Dr. Sarbak? Can I have his telephone number? And so that was a good result, And he did make me look very natural. And I did not look like I had any procedure at all. And that's what's important. You really want to look like yourself. Being yourself, you don't want to look like you really did something. You want to look natural and healthy, and that's what I got. I would say that the experience would be that the outcome would be that you would look natural, that nobody would know that you had a facelift, that nobody would know anything about it, if that would be something a lot of people worry about. Most of my friends do worry about that. That she would look natural and she would be very happy.
For more information, call us at 772-563-0930 or visit us online at www.drsarbak.com.